Welcome to Cozy English Radio, a quiet space to improve your English skill in a cozy way.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Late Night Talks on Cozy English Radio, a podcast to help you learn English in a fun and simple way.
So, find a quiet spot, put on your headphones, get comfortable, and let's enjoy this time together. Listening to real conversations like this can help improve your English, especially your listening and understanding.
Before we begin, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps us grow.
Hey guys, I'm Jake.
And I'm Emma. Every episode, we talk about useful English for real life in a slow and friendly way.
Tonight's topic is how to order food at a restaurant. Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English, Emma?
I have. Especially when you're not sure what to say or how to ask for something politely.
Don't worry. In this episode, we'll talk about common phrases and how to use them, like a real conversation.
Let's begin. So, Jake, imagine we go to a restaurant together. What do we do first?
First, we wait for the waiter. They usually say, hello, or welcome. Sometimes they ask, how many people?
Right. And we can say, 2 people, please, or just me.
After that, they take us to a table. Then they give us the menu.
Sometimes the menu's big. Too many choices. I always say, I need a minute.
Yeah. Or, can I have a few more minutes, please?
That's a good phrase. It's polite.
Some restaurants also have photos on the menu. That really helps.
Yeah, it's easier when you can see the food before you choose.
If the menu has no pictures, I sometimes ask the waiter for recommendations.
Oh, that's smart. You can say, what do you recommend? Or, what's your favorite dish?
Right? And if you don't eat something like beef or pork, you can say, I don't eat beef. What can I try instead?
Yes. Or, I'm allergic to peanuts. That's very important to say early.
Absolutely. It's good to say it clearly so they can help you stay safe.
Also, when I order for 2 people, I sometimes say, we will share this.
Oh yeah, that's great when you want to try different things together.
What if the restaurant is busy and we have to wait?
We can ask, how long is the wait? Or, is there a table available?
That's helpful. Some places let you wait outside or give you a number.
Or they call your name when the table is ready. So listen carefully.
When we sit down, sometimes the waiter gives us water for free.
Yeah. And sometimes they ask if you want still water or sparkling water.
Oh, right. Still water is regular. Sparkling has bubbles.
I always forget that. One time I got sparkling water and didn't like it.
Haha, same. It's good to know the difference.
What if we want to ask for something warm, like soup?
We can say, do you have any soup today? Or, what's your hot dish?
And if we want something cold?
Just say, do you have something cold? Or, what's your cold drink?
Sometimes I ask, what's popular? Or, what do most people order?
That's a good tip. It helps you choose if you're not sure.
What about when food is too slow?
Then say politely, excuse me, is our food coming soon?
Yes, it's okay to ask. Just be kind.
Always. Being nice makes the whole experience better.
What if we want to take a photo of the food?
Most places are okay with it. Just make sure not to use flash. And don't stand up or disturb others. Be quick and polite. I like to say, this looks so good. I want to remember it.
That's cute. Sharing photos can be fun too.
Sometimes restaurants have music. Is it okay to talk?
Yes, just speak a little louder, but still be respectful.
And if it's too loud, we can ask, can we sit somewhere quieter?
Good idea. It's all about enjoying the meal and talking with friends.
Okay, now we're ready to order. What can we say?
We can say, "I'd like a burger, please," or "Can I have chicken and rice?"
Yes. And if we want a drink, we can say, I'd like an iced tea, or just water, please.
Also, don't forget to say please and thank you. That's very important.
Always. Waiters are happy when we are kind.
Emma, what if I don't understand something on the menu?
Good question. You can ask, what is this? Or, what's in this dish?
Sometimes I ask, is it spicy? Because I don't like spicy food.
Haha, me too. You can also ask, is it vegetarian? If you don't eat meat.
What if I want to change something? Like, no onions?
Then say, can I have it without onions? Or, no onions, please.
That's useful. And what if we want to order dessert?
We can ask, do you have any dessert? Or, what desserts do you have?
Yum. I love chocolate cake. Emma, what do we say when we finish eating?
We say, can I have the bill, please? In American English, they say check instead of bill.
Oh, yeah. So, can I have the check, please? Or can we pay now?
Exactly. And we always say thank you before we leave.
Yes. A smile and a thank you can make someone's day.
So, now you know how to order food in English, from start to finish.
Practice these phrases and you'll feel more confident next time.
Don't worry if you make mistakes, just try your best.
You're learning. That's what matters.
That's it for today's episode. Thank you for listening to Late Night Talks on Cozy English Radio.
If you enjoyed this episode, let us know. Leave a comment with your ideas for the next topic.
We'd love to talk about something you want to learn next.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay cozy.
Bye for now.
See you soon.
Thanks so much for watching until the end.
We really hope this episode helped you out.
If it did, don't forget to like the video.
And share it with your friends who might need it too.
Oh, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.
That way, you'll never miss our newest uploads.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and stay cozy.